let's talk about something. Let's talk about AI. I just posted a post on my community page here, and the thing is, companies like Samsung now, very obvious, and Nvidia, and others as well will follow. They're not selling the products they used to sell, the products they really become famous and just gain all their shares. For example, let's take Nvidia. They're not selling just graphic acceleration cards. They're selling top-notch AI product that has some graphic acceleration functions, raw power in terms of CUDA, but at the end of the day, it's a frame rate generation. They just push this all the way along. Like you do 1 FPS, 1 frame, you get like 2, 3, 4 fake AI rendered. Let's call it, it's fake AI frames rendered in. And that's not the first time the industry tries to do so. Remember motion smoothness on all the TVs with all this fakery? Nobody really liked that one. And the same happens to Samsung. It's no longer a Samsung S phone, it should be even called Samsung Galaxy AI phone. Because at the end of the day, all these phones now are being just sold with this main functionality. And that's not bad. The issue that I have is that AI now has become the main selling point, the main pitch point. And back in the days, we used to pay our top dollars for top-notch hardware, top-notch cameras, and processing, top-notch performance, sustained performance, battery life, great displays. And yes, this thing is also there, but nobody's using this anymore as a sales point. They just tell you, hey, AI this, AI that. Sooner or later subscriptions will also come. So I'm just thinking right now, what we need, guys, is an AI-free phone, right? The AI can be there, we can opt in or out. Just give us the top hardware with the top software, non-AI, everything locally on device, right? Best battery, best display, and then we probably buy it. And then charge whatever you want to charge, right? But I think that we have to just really think about it, because AI is going to be more and more around us everywhere. Like it or not, they think that's the future. We can't see the benefits. But the thing is, we will be soon forced into the corner, AI corner, where we don't have any other option. And I don't like this. So let me know, guys, what you think down below in the comments.